Hello friends! Today we are gonna solve the horse puzzle from the pieces numbered 1 to 26. This is number 1. Here's number 2. This goes here. Number 3. This goes in the slot here. Here's number 4. This goes right in here. Number 5. Let's put it here. Now number 6. Found it. Put it right here, like this. Number 7. This number 7 goes right here. It's important to put the numbers at the right places. This is number 8. Number 8 goes here. And now number 9. Number 9 goes here. We're still on the front side of the horse. Now let's pick up number 10. Goes right in here. This is so much fun. Number 11. Let's put it right here. Like this. Alright, now let's get number 12. Where is it? It's here. Let's put it right here. Well, now number 13. You see, this goes here. And friends, it's important to keep the pieces at the right places. This is number 14. This goes here. Number 15 is right here. Let's put it here, between number 12 and 14. Next is number 16. This goes here, like this. Number 17, here. Number 18 goes right here. Now number 19 goes here. I like the way it's going. Number 20. Wow, that's the tail. Number 21. How do I put it? Okay, yeah, it goes right here. See, I told ya. It's very important to see which piece goes where. Like 22 goes right here. 23. So this piece, number 23, would go, let's see, here. Number 24 goes right here. Number 25 goes right here. And number 26, right there. Here's our horse. Let's count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26.